All right, folks, strap in. This one's a full-blown courtroom circus. At the center is Karen, a sovereign citizen determined to dodge reality at every turn. From the start, she insists she's not the person named in the case, just the authorized representative of her all-caps identity. The judge calls her name, but she treats it like a trap, dodging every attempt at clarity. She refuses to turn on her camera, sidesteps direct questions, and treats courtroom language as if it's some secret code to outsmart. This bizarre opening sets the stage for a legal showdown fueled by nonsense, deflection, and pure delusion. And trust me, if you think it can't get worse, just wait.
Here, Williams.
Hello.
Hello, can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, you don't want an attorney this morning?
No, I am the authorized representative. I'm making a special limited appearance for the all caps name.
Okay. All right. Let me call this matter then. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello.
Can you? I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
Yeah,
hear
I can hear you now. Something's going on with the phone. I'm in the side
Okay,
of the building.
Yeah, I was about to say it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court, so certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make those.
The tension in the courtroom climbs as the judge patiently explains her rights, including the right to an attorney, but she's already gone off the rails. She rambles about putting her car into a business trust, claims she no longer drives, and insists she's rescinding contracts. In reality, she's just refusing to give a straight answer. Sovereign buzzwords like special appearance spill out as if they magically erase the law. Every question is met with a deflection, every fact twisted into fantasy. This isn't a defense, it's sovereign theater. And you can see the judge straining to keep his composure.
Let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with a plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As
or
I
jury in this matter.
as I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you.
The spiral continues as the judge cuts straight through her word games. He makes it simple. Uppercase or lowercase, she's still the person responsible for the ticket. But Karen doubles down, insisting the judge is her trustee who must not only dismiss the charges but also pay her damages. That's right, she's demanding money from the court. The judge fires back with reality. Vehicles on public roads require insurance. End of story. Yet Karen stays trapped in her delusional loop. She's not mounting a defense. She's acting out make-believe law. What unfolds is less a legal proceeding and more a tug-of-war between reality and sovereign fantasy.
Entire matter at your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. At that point in time, Ms. Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing. She can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal.
After watching her dodge every question and refuse all responsibility, the judge takes a step back. Instead of jumping straight to a bench warrant, he issues a final warning, a show cause hearing. In plain terms, the court is saying, this is your last chance. Show up and explain yourself. A show cause offers a narrow window to cooperate, while a capias is the hammer, an arrest warrant that brings the cops straight to your door. The judge is holding back for now, showing restraint. But let's be honest, we all know where this is heading. Karen's not escaping this courtroom saga without handcuffs in her future.
Jean-Pierre Williams. So much. Jean-Pierre Williams.
Hello.
Hello. You turn your camera on,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
All right.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. This is ticket number SP15348981. Count no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Jean-Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all
do you have the
name
opportunity
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jean-Pierre Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
Welcome to round 2, and nothing's changed. She's back with the same energy and the same nonsense. Once again, she refuses to admit she's the defendant, this time claiming she's a non-resident alien, making a special appearance. The judge presses her to acknowledge the actual person named on the ticket, but she won't touch it. Instead, She doubles down, repeating the sovereign's script louder and slower, as if volume makes it valid. When the judge challenges her directly, hoping to cut through the act, she responds with more gibberish about corporations and jurisdiction. At this point, it's obvious. This isn't a defense. It's pure performance.
Asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice?
I am here
Janvier Sherelle Williams,
to make a special limit appearance
Are you
on
present?
the behalf of
Ms. Williams, if
John-
you're not gonna answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
Okay, so Janvier
Authorized
Williams is not
representative.
present.
Authorized representative.
All right, so if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right, so there will be a capias put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That
ticket
all-cap
of
name
no
was
insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor.
This is the breaking point. The judge asks for her P number, a state ID that only licensed attorneys can provide. Predictably, she has nothing. Instead, she lashes out with threats of liens, lawsuits, and a barrage of sovereign gibberish. She tosses around UCC codes like incantations, convinced they'll shield her from reality. The judge gives one final warning. This is your last chance. But she doubles down, refusing to identify herself and digging deeper into the delusion. At this stage, it's not confusion. It's outright defiance. What she calls power is really self-destruction. And the only thing she's about to win is a bench warrant and a guaranteed trip to jail.